Hello and welcome to Learn British English with Deacon Rigo. Today, I'm going to show you how to talk about your daily habits perfectly and how to order a drink in a British cafe without feeling nervous. This lesson is for anyone who wants to stop making common grammar mistakes and start sounding more natural. As I promised in last weekend's English Tea story, this is our midweek session to help you master the reading and writing side of that story. Let's look at our anchor sentence from the story. People drink tea every day. We use a specific structure when we talk about things we do regularly or habits we have. The pattern is simple: subject, verb, then every day. Let's look at some examples. I drink coffee every day. They watch TV every day. It's a clean, easy way to describe your life. Now let's move from the page to real life. If you are in a British cafe, you can simply say, "Can I have a cup of tea, please?" And when they ask how you like it, you can answer, "Yes, with milk, please," or "No sugar, thank you." Try saying this out loud with me. "Yes, with milk, please," or "No sugar, thank you." Wait, here's a common mistake I see. People do not say, "People are drink tea." In English for regular habits, we just say, "People drink tea." Keep it simple. Now it's your turn to practice. I want you to write one sentence using the phrase "every day" and post it in the comment section below. I'll personally read your sentence and give you my feedback to help you improve. If you want to take your English to the next level, I'm now offering online private lessons for individuals or small groups of say 3 to 5 students. So if you want personal coaching, get in touch. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Learn British English with Deacon Rigo. If you haven't seen the original British tea story, go back and watch that now. Join me next week when we'll be learning English through the famous British weather. See you then.